Hey there. Have you ever looked up at the sky, spotted a huge airplane zooming by, and thought, how in the world does something that big stay up there? Today, I'm going to break down the awesome science behind how airplanes fly. And don't worry, I'll keep it super simple and fun. First up, let's talk about wings, because wings are the real MVPs here. Airplane wings aren't flat. If you looked at one from the side, you'd see it's curved on top and flatter on the bottom. That shape is called an airfoil. So what's so special about this shape? Here's the cool part. When an airplane speeds down the runway, air flows over and under the wings. But because of the wing's shape, the air on top has to travel farther and faster than the air underneath. Faster air on top means lower pressure, and slower air below means higher pressure. Guess what happens next? The higher pressure under the wing pushes the airplane up. That upward force is called lift. Lift is what lets airplanes rise off the ground and soar through the skies. But wait, that's not all. For a plane to fly, it needs more than just wings. It needs something to make it move forward. That's where engines come in. Whether it's a propeller or a jet engine, they both push the plane forward, creating something called thrust. Now, as the plane speeds up, more air rushes over the wings, making even more lift. But there's another force called drag, which is like air's way of saying, hey, slow down. Drag tries to pull the plane back. So the engines have to work hard to keep the plane moving fast enough for lift to do its job. Let's not forget gravity, the force that keeps us all on the ground. Gravity pulls the plane down, but as long as lift is stronger, the plane stays up. So quick recap: 4 main forces at play: lift, gravity, thrust, and drag. Pilots use all these forces to control the plane, steer it in the right direction, and make sure it lands safely. And here's a fun fact: birds use the same rules to fly. Next time you see a bird gliding, you'll know it's using lift and thrust just like a plane. So next time you see an airplane overhead, you'll know exactly how it's able to soar, thanks to some super cool science and those amazing wings.